So I'm here at the 2025 Miami International Auto Show. I'm showing you guys the 2026 Cherokee. This is back for the 2026 model year. Now I'm going to talk about a few specs here for this vehicle. This has the company's 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid with a 1.1 kilowatt electric motor, and it also makes 210 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with an eCVT, and this gets 500 miles of range and 37 miles combined for the gas tank here. Now looking here at the front styling here, I like the nice full LED daytime running light with the multi-reflector for the headlights there, and it's also full LED fog lights. Large grill here. As you guys know, Jeep is known for the 7-slot grill. It also spells Jeep out there on the actual hood. Making our way to the side profile here. I like the nice push clickable door handles there. And they got this interior is a black interior with this 12.3-inch display. Sorry for the poor lighting, but it does offer this large panoramic sunroof here. And there's this armrest here, which is pretty good. Wireless phone charger, 2 cup holders. There's your drive mode selector, nice storage. I like this nice steering wheel here. Straight off the new Jeep Charger. It spells out Jeep on the actual airbag cover. Nice plush seats here with your seating controls. Looking at the backseat area here, this also sits 3 across. Pretty nice, high quality leather. There's this armrest here which reveals 2 cup holders, and there's your air vents and charging ports down there. Sorry for the poor lighting, guys, but this vehicle it does have a black interior. Now looking at the cargo back here, plenty of cargo space, and Jeep does give you a spare tire instead of a fix-a-flat kit. But let's walk around one more time to give you guys a side profile shot here. It's a pretty good proportion sized vehicle. It slots underneath the Grand Cherokee. So it's a pretty good size. As you guys can see, it's a pretty good size vehicle. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the 2026 Cherokee.